Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Indian Chef Recipe. Today we are going to learn how to make pineapple butter cookies. Before we start the recipe, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe to watch our latest videos. Now, let's see the ingredients for pineapple butter cookies. 130 grams of all-purpose flour, 60 grams of icing sugar, 100 grams of butter, 5 ml of pineapple essence, 50 grams of finely chopped pineapple. Now, take a mixing bowl, take the butter of room temperature and whisk with the whisker. When you give a continuous whisk, it becomes creamy texture. At that moment, add icing sugar and give a continuous whisk. When sugar perfectly mixed with butter, when it becomes a creamy texture, add pineapple essence and finely chopped pineapple. Mix once again so that pineapple pieces and pineapple essence will mix together. Add sieved flour and fold with the mixture. When everything is mixed, you can see it forms in this way. Now take a piping bag and fill this cookie mixture in the piping bag. On the other hand, take a baking tray, grease oil or butter to it, and then stick a butter paper. And now, just pipe with your piping bag. Here I am not taking nozzle. You can take any type of nozzle. You can try with different nozzles. Now, just bake these cookies in the preheated oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Here, my cookies are done. So just take out from the oven and let it come to a room temperature. Here my cookies are at the room temperature, and now you can see these have turned to golden brown color and these are going to be very yummy in taste. So I hope you all will definitely try this recipe. So this was our today's recipe, how to make pineapple butter cookies. Hope you all guys enjoyed by watching our today's recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe our videos. Bye.